The Morrison Electric Edger gives gardens, driveways and pathways defined, crisp edges for that manicured look. Setting up your electric edger. When using any electric outdoor power equipment, it is important you use a reputable residual current device, RCD, to ensure your safety from an electric shock. Plug your power cord into the RCD, then your power mains like so. Safety equipment is paramount when it comes to operator safety. Morrison recommends, at a minimum, appropriate safety glasses, ear muffs or plugs and gloves when operating power garden products. Now, to prevent the power cord pulling directly on the switch, most Morrison electric products provide retainers. Loop the power cord through the retainers like this and lock in. As you can see, these will then help keep the cord away from the machine and prevent any direct pressure being put on the switch. Tip. A useful tip to avoid unnecessary pulling pressure on the plug: tie a simple knot like this in the lead. Let me demonstrate. When cutting edges between lawn and hard edges, such as pavers or concrete, it is important that you keep the wheels on the hard surface. On the underside of the machine there's a metal guide. This adjusts down like this and locates into the space between the hard edge and lawn. It's very important to have this in place, as it'll avoid any unnecessary vibrations. Next, set the front guide wheel. This is used to set the depth at which you want to cut down to. The Morrison Edger has 3 settings. Once the guide is in, gently raise the unit on its back wheels and start the motor. This will avoid any unnecessary load on the engine. Gently lower the blade into the edge with guide in place and you're ready to edge. Remember to follow the contour of the concrete for a nice, clean edge. When you're finished, release the trigger. That makes edging so much easier. The Morrison Electric Edger is also great for landscaping trenching. This time, the edger guide is lifted to its highest setting, as it's not used in this application. With the front guide wheel, select the depth you wish to trench to. Then, once set, gently raise the unit on its back wheels and start the motor. This will avoid any unnecessary load on the engine. Move forward to trench and be careful not to overload the motor. It pays to start with a shallow depth to familiarize yourself when trenching, and then go deeper if necessary. Cleaning your electric edger. Okay, for cleaning the machine, it's easy, as we have a very convenient hatch. So we just take this knob off and the whole side of the blade cover opens up, so you can clean underneath like this, and then close it back up and retighten the nut. Ready to go. All products in the Morrison Outdoor Garden range come complete with a 24-month customer warranty, offering you peace of mind and confidence that your product was crafted with quality. Morrison, durable, hardworking, and affordable.